Hello everyone, my name is Michael Esele and my topic here is introduction to Microsoft Excel and creating basic spreadsheet. For my outline here, we have the introduction, what is Excel, uses of Excel, how to create a basic spreadsheet, conclusion and closing remark. Introduction. Excel is a Microsoft package used to calculate, tabulate and analyze data. It is also used for mathematical calculation. For my aim or objective, my aim to educate the audience on Microsoft Excel and how to create basic spreadsheet, and my objective to explain what Microsoft Excel is all about, to identify how to create basic spreadsheets. What is an Excel? An Excel is a Microsoft package that is used for mathematical calculation. It also contains formulas which are used for performing calculation. It is used for creating a spreadsheet and expressing data using charts like bar chart and pie chart, etc. Uses of Excel. There are different uses of Excel. I have some here: calculation, construction of chart, creating of spreadsheet, data analysis. How to create a basic spreadsheet. I have the picture and content. So for the content, insert what is to be created, example, item, quantity and price depending on the information to be prepared. Then start inserting your information. Then I have the picture here. For conclusion, in conclusion, Excel is very important Microsoft package that helps data analysts to the general public to present data in a way that is good and acceptable in the digital world. Thank you.
Thank you so much.